growing up, we used to have these boiled peanuts as a snack, and it was so good. And today, when I was coming down from the shops, I found when my neighbor had harvested some of these peanuts. So I asked for some, and she gave me these. So I decided to come and film and show you how we used to make this high protein snack. I hope you try it out. Oh, by the way, my name is Rita if you're new here, and I'm the Cooking Nut. And I share food recipes, I share things about life, about motherhood, about everything. So please subscribe, make sure you don't miss any episode, and I hope you like it here. Let's go. So you want to wash these so that you get off the soil. Like I said, these are fresh from the garden. Today they just harvested them and then got them off the stalks. So you want to wash them until they are like really clean. Until the water runs clear and all the soil is off. Since you're going to be serving this directly, these are some of the leaves. So once the water has cleared up, it means our gin nuts are ready, or groundnuts are ready. We are going to carry these into our cooking pan and then proceed. Let's go. Remember, this is how pink and vibrant they look before they are boiled. Yeah? Now you wait for when they are done getting boiled. After putting them in your pan, you're going to get water, pour in. Make sure to put enough water. You want to make sure to put enough salt, since these are shelled peanuts and it has to penetrate. So ideally, you put in your water, and then after mixing, you test the water. If the seasoning is good, you cover and let them boil for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then you're done and ready to enjoy your peanut snack. So this has been going for about 45 minutes, and all the water has literally evaporated. I know they are really hot. Let me put out the flame, but I'm going to try and open one, then leave them here to cool. I always like the purple color when they are cooked. They always taste so good. This is the side-by-side comparison of the boiled ones and the raw ones. This is bright pink, This is purple, and they are such a good snack. Okay, I hope you try them out. And if you know this, if you ate this when you were growing up, share with me some of your memories in the comment section. Bye.